Alright guys, we're back in here. I've been in here several times, but we stopped by today, fix that keypad up, and needed a battery, and I figured I might as well make a video when I'm here. So I got the same Chamberlain MyQ openers as before, the Amarr doors. Let's see if I can find the model on this. Let's see, but yeah, these are the same Amarr doors. So I have these same controls here, all of the same features and stuff. Let's learn, but I'll go ahead and demonstrate them. Here you go. Still very quiet. Yeah. And for those of you who noticed that one light bulb is finally on, I did change that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and go around to the outside now. So I'll go around to the outside. So there's the outside, the same earth tone long panel here. Use that keypad, and it does work now, as you can see. I just changed the battery on it, so we have a brand new battery, should last for a while longer. So yeah, these things are very nice. Turn there. Run up the other door with the keypad. It's that same delay again that there always has been for this thing. Let's go ahead and run this thing. And then one feature I want to show you, so I showed this before, but the one button close feature, this will close both of them because the keypad is programmed to both doors. But I guess that's it for today, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have, be sure to hit that like button. If you have a question or comment, you can feel free to leave one. And if you have any requests for videos or a particular opener or place, go ahead that and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for